Come test drive the 2009 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, home-link garage door opener, anti-theft security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, 60/40 split rear bench seat, auto headlight on-off, center armrest, FWD, child safety rear door locks, side airbag system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.